So for my workshops, I thought up of 5 things that could be used in the classroom using 21st century skills. The first is decision making, and with this, the students use critical thinking, and you could give them a prompt, and they can research it and kind of have a open debate, which also allows for communication for them to talk about what they research and gives them a chance to open up that communication and practice debating, and maybe even together they could come up with a solution that they all agree upon or closely. The second one is promoting community in groups. So for this one, it uses collaboration. Students can research something that needs to be promoted in their community, and then they can use technology to make signs or websites to promote for the community. Invent something. So this one would be fun and can use creativity for the students. They could do this either collaboratively or individually, and they just think of something that they want to invent, do the research on how to invent it, and do so, and then they could share it with the class. For digital literacy, there's a ton of things that you could do. The first thing I thought of was recording yourself reading a story. This could be for lower level elementary students, and then uploading it to YouTube, and then their classmates can watch it and do a response video or write in the comments some sort of response. And so that gives them the chance to use technology and also for communication with their classmates. And lastly, a citizenship project, which is good for all 4 of the C's. Collaboration, because they can do it in groups, and creativity, because they have to think of something in their community or as citizens that they would like to improve upon. Communication, because they can research and go out into the community and talk to the community leaders and see what needs to be improved upon. They can research laws and how laws work. They could propose a solution or a law that could better what they found in their community that needed fixed. And they can be creative with this as well, because it might not be something that you would directly see in the community, but after going out and talking to the leaders and doing the research, they could find it. So these are just a few things that I came up with. There are a ton more that could use 21st century skills and the 4 C's, but these are the workshops that I would definitely use in my classroom, and I thought that they were good for the students as well.